Hi guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from January the 28th through February the 3rd. Time is flying. I don't know where it's going, okay? So what I thought I'd do this week is continue with our girly theme that we've been on, and I did shoes. I thought it would be so much fun to just Google the images of clip art images of shoes, girly shoes. So I made my own stickers, and then I chose this paper to go in it, and this just says flaunt it, fierce, get it girl, these boots were made for walking, be classy. I just think it's adorable. And then this one just has these gold shoes all over it. And then I picked this washi and it says you are beautiful. I think it's so pretty. And then I did all that, and then I also, there were in my book, my Hot Buy book that I got this paper from, they had these little cards that you could cut out. So what I did is I cut these are my walking shoes out and punched it so it would fit in my planner, and then you can write on the inside or you can write anything on the back. And I just blew up a sticker and put it on this and cut it to fit in my happy planner. Okay, and I'm going to be using this, one of these Bic markers that I hauled, and it's in pink topaz. I love these markers, okay? So let's take my pages out of my planner, and I need to do my monthly spread. Okay, I've decided that I want this to be my dominant paper of the spread, so I'm going to cut it first. I think this is going to be so much fun. Okay, and then I really like this paper too with all these gold shoes. It's so pretty. Okay, let's put our paper down like we want it. This is going to be so much fun. Okay, let's glue our paper down. Oh, that is really cute. I love it. Okay, I think that is adorable. Okay, so we'll put our washi down, and I love how this is even pink up here. That was a happy accident. I love this washi. I think I got this. It was either at Joann's or, no, I think it was Michael's. I just love it. Oh, that just looks so soft and feminine. I love it. Okay, that is absolutely adorable. Okay, so let's put our stickers down. I just, like I said, I made my own stickers, and I just Googled images of girly shoes. I think those are so cute. I had so much fun working on this. You can find so many cute images. It was hard to pick what I actually wanted. Okay, and then this one I thought was really cute too. And these with the pearls, they're so pretty. And I love these. They're just like the red ones, but they're black. This one is really cute too. And then this one with the butterfly on it, I thought that was really cute. And then this one is just so dainty and gorgeous. And then I had to put some boots on here. They're really cute. And then this one I thought was really pretty. It's like the purple one, but it's pink. Okay, so let me write just a few things down here. Okay, now let's put my pages back in my planner and we'll take a look at this. But I think this turned out so cute. It's so much fun to make your own stickers. You can get exactly what you want. Okay, this is how the spread turned out. I love these stickers. Love how this paper works with it. And this washi is so pretty, okay? And then like I said, I went ahead and enlarged the sticker and just put it on this pink paper and cut it to fit. So I'm just gonna put it right here, okay? And then here's that little piece that was in, it was just a card and I folded it, and that way you can write back in here, and it has perfume and little notes, and these are my walking shoes, and then you could even open it and write in here. And I think I'm just gonna put this up here. So I love how this spread turned out. It is so cute and so fun. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.